sourcing and scanning products is usually fine most of the year, but we wanted to have a go and see what it was like during the Christmas rush. Will it be any different? Will the shelves be clear? How will we actually get on? Now, we have done a couple of videos like this before, which we'll just link up here, so make sure to check them out. But let's get into it and see how we got on spending a couple of hours doing some retail arbitrage and actually going out and finding deals in the shops at Christmas.
We're just about to head into Wilko. What was that? Oh. Let's see what we can find.
So back from Wilko, and we have bought 3 products in total. The first one we bought was the pink stuff, the Miracle Toilet Cleaner. We purchased 5 of these. So we purchased these for £1 each. We'll make the data pop up on the screen, but these are currently selling on Amazon for £5.75. FBA fee is going to be £2.60. Referral fee is going to be £47. We allowed about 20p per unit to send in. So that would mean we'd get a return on investment of 121%, £1.45 profit per unit. Only one other FBA seller on this listing, which is always a good sign. Now, we did check through the price graph, and Amazon have previously been on this listing, but not for almost a year. So there's a good chance we can get these in, get them sold before they do come back. Okay, so the second product we had was this Nivea Express Hydration, and we can purchase these for £2.15 each. They're currently selling on Amazon for £12.90, which is quite an insane difference. Now gives a profit of £5.30 per unit, 225%. Now please note, there's a very high chance this price will come down. We did check the price graph, and it has been cheaper before, but obviously we've got such room for movement, so we can only take that as a positive. There's only one other FBA seller on this listing. Amazon are on this listing as well, but we did check and they have been sharing the buy box. Obviously, if Amazon haven't ever been sharing the buy box, then we would avoid it. Sales 31 to 59 units a month, so with only one other FBA seller, there is a good chance we should get on the buy box, so not a bad one overall. Okay, so the third and final product, it was this Febreze Air Lenore. So thank you, Dan. So this one looked like not a bad product. I mean, not crazy sales, only 5 to 15 units a month, but it was making 165% return on investment, £4 and 5 pence profit per unit. Now again, that probably will drop slightly, but there wasn't any other FBA sellers on this listing. 2 FBM.
Wilko was quite busy.
Yeah, it was busy.
It was quite busy. We didn't have any problems finding things. We got 5 of each product, which is okay. We probably would have wanted probably a little bit more, but
yeah, they obviously limited stock. Things have been selling out.
But it wasn't too bad. It was better than I thought it would be.
So these are the products we found in Wilko. So first up was this Febreze, and then we had this body lotion. So we purchased 5 of each of these, and we're going to be sending them into Amazon's warehouse and seeing how we get on. So for 5 of each of these, the cost was £27, and on the current price when we found them, we're hoping it's going to bring us in around £147, and that would give us a profit of about £54. Now that is just based on the current prices and the current figures. It is likely this will be a little bit lower, but we'll have to see how we get on. So next up, we went to Sainsbury's, but before we get into that, we did just want to let you know about an exclusive YouTube discount code for Profitl. We'll make it pop up here. We'll save you either 5% on yearly plans or 20% on monthly plans. So make sure to take that down, and if you are looking to start your FBA journey, it will save you some money. So no luck in Sainsbury's, unfortunately. It was incredibly busy, and usually we're able to find quite a lot of deals in Sainsbury's, but maybe it is something to do with Christmas. But next up, we're going to head into Dunelm. So Dan, please run the footage. So we just finished up in Dunelm. We spent about an hour in there. We didn't have much luck. We only managed to buy these. They're Dylan navy blue all-in-one fabric dies.
Dylon. Dylan would have an A.
Alright, they're Dylon all-in-one navy blue fabric dies. You sure?
It says Dylon.
So these cost us £7. They're currently selling on Amazon for £19.99. We'll make the data pop up on the screen. Not crazy sales, only 5 to 15 a month on this one, but there was only 4 FBA sellers and they didn't have too much in stock. But it was over 100% return on investment, £7.16 profit per unit, so it was definitely worth taking a punt on. We purchased 5 of these in total, so that sums up our day. We've purchased, 20 units today. So we'll get back to the office. We'll let you know how we get on.
Bye everyone. Well, bye from me, I'm not in the rest of the video.
So these were all we found in Dunelm. It's this navy blue all-in-one fabric dye. So these were £7 each and we bought 5 of these again. So our cost was £35. We're hoping it will bring us in around £99.50 based on the current price and a profit of around £34. So all of these products we're going to be sending into Amazon's warehouse. We didn't spend a huge amount, and I think that just shows how accessible Amazon FBA is. So our total cost for all of the 4 products was £62. That should bring us back in revenue around £246 based on the current prices. And that will give us a profit of £88, which is quite amazing for just a few hours work really. Now, it is important to note that there is a very high chance that we won't end up with this profit. And we do want to be totally transparent with you. There is a big chance the prices will come down, so our profit will be lower. But as long as you know how to manage the buy box, don't get into undercutting, don't get into pricing wars, there's no reason we can't get reasonably close to this figure. And we'll try and do a part 2 of this video, so we'll actually update you and let you know how much we sold these for and whether or not they actually sold, because there's no guarantees, but obviously that is why we analyze them first. So as you can see, you can do retail arbitrage at any time of the year, albeit I will say at Christmas it was harder. There was definitely less products out there and it was so much busier as well when you're going out scanning, and there's people absolutely everywhere. It isn't always the nicest. Sainsbury's was probably the worst. So much busier than normal because we're going out in the week. Obviously, if you was doing it on the weekends or in the evening, which most people would be doing, it's probably going to be even crazier. So to see the actual results, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can be notified when the next video comes out, and we'll try and update you on how we actually get on. We're always sending products into Amazon's warehouse, and it's really important to keep a steady flow of products going in. Even if you're not sending in massive quantities, we always recommend to sell a wide variety of products. But thank you so much for watching. Please do let us know in the comments any other videos you'd like us to make. You'll find all of the important links in the description. Make sure to take down the discount code as well, so when you do want to get started, you can save yourself some money. But we will see you again very soon.